Hi guys, today I'll be making a wall decor. I was inspired by these ginkgo leaf wall decor that I saw online. But before we get started, if you're watching from Facebook and you'd love to give me a thumbs up, please click the three dots on the top right corner of your mobile device and then select open in YouTube. And from there you can give me a thumbs up, or you can subscribe, or you can leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. So I'll be using 2.5 poster board, and I'm using the white ones because they're stronger, they're thicker. So I'll be using a compass to draw a semicircle, and then I use my scissors to cut that out. And then I'm gonna draw the shape of the leaf. And I'll be making 5 of those. And then to make our pattern, I'm just going to use hot glue. I'm just going to draw a straight line in the center first, and then I'm just going to curve the rest just as how the vein in the leaf would look. And if you want to keep this neat, whenever you start a line, make sure you don't go back on that line when it's starting to dry, because then it's going to look messy at the end. And I'm not putting the glue next to each other. Once I do one side, then I go to the next side so they won't melt into each other. And I'm just filling in the areas. So I'm just going to use a little piece of my bamboo skewer and make a little branch on the tip on the center of it. And I'm just using my hot glue. And then I'm just using scrap cardboard as my frame, so I can make the shape of my leaf and glue it in place. And I'm doing the center part first, and then I'll do the ends. And since I'm going to add light, I'm making sure not to leave any space at the bottom so the light won't come through the bottom part of it. So you just want to make your shape, and after you're satisfied, then you just glue it in place. And I'm just using my X-Acto knife to cut the excess cardboard off. And while you're watching, I'll really appreciate a thumbs up. It helps YouTube algorithm to recognize me, and it will help to grow my channel so I can produce even more tutorials weekly. And if you're new here and you would like to see my weekly tutorials, please subscribe and select the post notifications so you will be notified the moment I upload a new video. And here I'm just going around the base of it to make sure that it's closed properly so I don't get my light coming through. And I made 5 of them different sizes. So I'll be using these 2 acrylic paint. I have black and white, so I'll just mix them together to create a gray color. And then I'm just brushing it over. You want to make sure you get all the grooves. And I'm going to give it 2 coats. That one was a little too light for me, so I went in with a darker coat. And then for this one, I'm just doing it plain white. So for hanging on the wall, I'm just going to use my 18 gauge aluminum wire and cut little pieces and use my hot glue to glue them in place. And you can use any light that you have. I have string lights, and I also have push lights. I'm going to use my push light, and this is how I glue it to the back. And here's the final look, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And please remember, if you're not subscribed as yet, please click that subscribe button and turn the notification on so you'll be notified next week when I upload my new video. Thanks for watching.